the recipe that I'm presenting to you today is apple muffin. You guys see I have my apple, my 2 eggs, my flour, my vanilla sugar, my butter, my vanilla flavor, as well as my baking powder, as well as my cooking baking pot. With all these ingredients I'll be preparing today my apple muffin. Salve, bella gente, ben ritrovati alla cucina di Suppor Rosemary. Oggi è un'altra ricetta da presentare a voi. Come potete vedere qua, c'è da preparare torte al muffin con la mela. Qui non andate via, state seduti sul vostro divano, comodo come sempre, così potete vedere cosa combinerò oggi alla mia cucina. Ringrazio tutti voi che avete iscritto sul mio canale, quindi continuerete sempre a scrivere, continuerete anche a condividere il mio video con i vostri parenti e amici. Che Dio vi benedica a tutti voi, my beautiful people. Without wasting much of your time, let's go immediately to start preparation for this apple muffin, where I'll take all my cross subscribers, all my new, my old, as well as all my amazing returning subscribers for always coming to watch my video, for the beautiful likes and comment. God bless each and every one of you. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's go ahead start preparation for this my apple muffin for today. Let's go, guys. Meantime, I'm going to prepare all my dry ingredients. I'm going to mix my yeast here, my baking powder. Alla gente, mischiamo tutta la roba asciutto. Questo lievito, and this is my flavor. Okay, so I'm going to mix together. Giriamo tutto la roba asciutto. Then I'm going to keep it aside. So this is my butter. I'm going to add my vanilla sugar. Ora questo è il burro. Mettiamo zucchero a velo, perché con questo lo devo preparare, e cominciamo la montatura. Okay guys, let's start the mixing of my butter together with my vanilla sugar. Okay guys, this is how it's looking now. So now I'm going to add my eggs, guys. Just a minute, guys. I'll be adding my eggs. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands. Time, guys, I have to start slicing my apple. I will slice it and I'll cut it in little pieces, guys. So I'm going to show you guys when I'm through. As you guys can see, I've finished slicing. So now it's now time for me to start adding my flour little by little and mixing together, guys. Bella gente, avete visto cosa ho fatto? Ho già tagliato la mela. Adesso mettiamo la farina piano piano, mischiamo tutto bene tutto, così si amalgamiamo bene. Okay, my beautiful people, so I have to be putting it little by little. If need be, I'm going to use my mixer, but for now let me just be mixing this way. Se serve userò il frullatore. Nel frattempo facciamo così. Ok, ho messo tutto. I've done putting everything, so I need to mix it very well. So now I'm going to add my sliced apple. Okay guys, so now I need to mix it properly. Guys, let's mix. Bella gente, ora mischiamo bene tutto. Make sure you mix it very well. Come potete vedere, ho mischiato bene. You guys can see, so let's go and start the other side of the preparation of our muffin. Come potete vedere, sono pronta. Allora aggiungiamo Let's add yellow. Well, it is much. I'm going to make it twice. So this is the first batch, guys. Guys, let's go. Bella gente, ora andiamo a cuocere. Avete visto? Lo metto qua. Put it this way. You guys can see. So I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 20 minutes, guys. See you in 20 minutes time. Okay. Take a look, guys. Oh, I think it's ready, guys. Let me see with my stick. Oh, it's ready. Ready, guys. Okay, it's ready. So let me start putting this off so I can put the other one. So you guys can see, it's ready. Come potete vedere, bella gente, la mia pendolina, guarda, è pronta il muffin, è pronta la torta. Dimmela, andiamo, leviamola. Let's remove it together, all together now, leviamo insieme. Non so come faccio a levare, voglio lasciare qui dentro così lo posso levare insieme a voi, così potete vedere. Guardiamo un pochettino, let's see, guys, to be able to remove. Okay, guys, so you guys can see, I put the other one, so I cover now article for the 20 minutes. You guys see? Voila. Apple muffin. As this is my apple muffin, bella gente. Apple. Guys, let me remove this one in front of you. Oh, let me remove. Oh, it's still hot, but you guys can see. Oh, the smoke is wow. Oh, guys can see. When it's a little bit cold, I'm going to test it for you guys. You know me, I like testing the microphone. Testing. So this is it, guys. So let me just leave it here so you guys can be seeing all the goodies of a little boy rosemary. Just take a good look, my beautiful people. Potete vedere questo qua, che delicatezza. Ci vediamo tra poco. Arrivederci per ora. Yum. Hey guys, you know, guys, I like food so much, so I gotta test it for you guys. You see, I got the aroma. La. La. For those that are just passing by, see my video for the very first time, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you guys will always be the first one to see. For all my returning subscribers, God bless each and every one of you. Ciao, a presto!